Hi, good morning. I'd just like to show you around our new Vizu Burger Makeup Island. So first part of our makeup island is here we have the Vizu Slimline Bun Toaster. Underneath that we have some useful bun racking. So it comes along with these handy trays. You can put all your buns in here. Next up in the process is a little bit of hot hold for your protein item. So we have our Vizu 3-pan gastro warmer. This is a pass-through unit, so you can see all the way through it, and the trays have handles back and front. It's also available as a single-sided unit. Underneath that, we have one of our new products. This is the Vizu twin drawer gastro warmer. As you can see, 2 drawers, one below as well. And in here, it's ideal for storing things like peri-peri chicken, chicken fillets, burgers, any protein item that you really would like to keep hot. And next to that, we have a wrap and relish unit. So this is somewhere handy to keep your condiments and your sauces, along with additional packaging at the top here. This comes in a variety of sizes. So the unit I have here is a VIWR2. We do a 5-pan version, a 3-pan version, and even if you're after it, a 10-pan version. Okay, moving around here, at the end here we have our burger gantry. This sits on top of a couple of fast serve units, so it's 1200 millimeters wide, about 600 millimeters deep. The surface here is heated, and there's also a number of halogen heat lights above. So the concept would be quite simple. The operator toasts the buns, protein on the buns, condiments on the buns, and then the burger is passed here ready to be picked up and bagged by the operators on the cash desk. So here we go, the Vizu Burger Makeup Island. If you'd like more information on the Vizu Burger Makeup Island, feel free to give us a call, have a look at our website www.fast-food-systems.co.uk, or drop me an email. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.